I bring you good stuffs, guys. To anyone watching this video, you are one step away to having the luscious hair you've ever wanted. Today we are making a hair butter packed with herbs for hair growth and good for nourishing of your hair. So today, if you want to learn how to make this butter, I advise you stick around, watch the video to the end. If you like content like this, subscribe to my channel, drop a comment and turn on your notification bell. If you're not a lover of DIYs, you can buy products containing these wonderful herbs. So today we'll be using 4 different herbs. We'll be using cloves, we'll be using fenugreek, neem powder and rosemary. So while we move on with this video, let me tell you the little benefit of each herb. Clove boosts hair growth by increasing blood flow, blood circulation and enriching the scalp with oxygen. Cloves contain vitamin A, C and K. It also contains iron, potassium, which adds strength to the hair and prevents hair fall. Clove also cures dandruff. Fenugreek is one of the most powerful Ayurveda, mostly used by the Indians for hair growth. Fenugreek reduces hair fall, prevents premature graying, strengthens the hair, excellent for fighting dandruff and itchy scalp. It also adds shine to the hair and condition and promotes healthy scalp. Neem powder. Neem is a wonderful plant used by many for its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. Neem treats lice, reduces dandruff, promotes hair growth, and so much more. Lastly, rosemary. Rosemary improves blood flow, blood circulation, and provides nutrients for a healthy hair growth. Rosemary nourishes the scalp and prevents hair fall. It is also good for an itchy scalp. If you incorporate these herbs into your regimen today and you don't see results, come for me. Just joking, guys, don't come for me, but if you use these herbs, you're going to see a huge difference in your hair growth journey. I put my herbs in the blender. Now I'm bringing it into a powder form. This will help the herbs infuse very well in the oil. I went ahead to put it inside a bowl. You can use anything you have available, but I'm using a bowl. I put it inside a bowl. Then I went ahead to add my butter. You can use any butter you have available, but for the purpose of this video, I'm using shea butter. You can use mango butter, cocoa butter, any butter you have at your disposal. So after this, we'll go ahead and melt this butter. The measurement depends on the quantity of your production. If you're making a bigger batch, you should use more herbs and more butter. But for me, I already have some that I made before. So for the purpose of this video, I'm just making a small batch. That is why I'm using everything in small quantity. I added 2 spoons of coconut oil. But if you don't have coconut oil available, you can skip this step. In a boiling water, put your bowl containing your butter and the herbs. Be careful not to hurt yourself. This process is called infusion. The heat from the pot is going to melt the butter and infuse it with the herbs. This will take a little bit of your time, so you need to be patient with this. Allow the butter to melt gradually into the herbs. You can stir at interval until the butter is properly melted into the herbs. Just give it time, don't be in a hurry. This will take at least 10 to 15 minutes to properly melt and infuse into the oil. After this process, you can leave the oil if you're not ready to use it. You can pour it into a jar and allow it to sit for a week or 2 in order to properly infuse into the butter. We are getting to the end of this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you like content like this. I do a lot of DIYs on this channel, and if you want to grow your hair using DIY, you subscribe to this channel to see content like this. As you can see, the butter has properly melted into the herbs. So we'll move ahead to straining it. I'll be using a hanky to strain it. You can use a cheesecloth if you have one. If you don't, use a hanky. It does the job properly. You can do this process just immediately after you bring it down from fire, so the butter will not solidify. You will know your hair growth butter is ready when the color has changed. The herbs has infused into the butter and the color has changed. As you can see, you see the color of my oil, right? It means the herbs has properly infused into the oil. I go ahead to extract the oil by squeezing it a little bit. This is still hot, so I don't squeeze it hard. I squeeze this a little bit to extract the oil. You do not want to waste anything, because this oil is packed with nutrients that will take your hair to the next level, and you do not want to waste it. Completely extract your oil, and then for the hair, you can decide to throw it away or infuse it in a water for your hairspray. I went ahead to transfer my oil into a container. This is the container I'll be using to store it. This is not the end form of this oil. It's still going to solidify. After this, I'll put it into a refrigerator for you to solidify quickly, and I'll be back to show you guys what it looks like after this process. If you will try this at home, comment I will try it in the comment section.
Few moments later.
Ta-da! This is our end product, guys. As you can see, it has solidified. This butter will help you a lot. My advice for you is to try it today and give me feedback. As you can see, it's very good.